Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Cafe 143. Today we are going to understand an important concept in real numbers. First, remember what a prime number is. A prime number has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. See, let me ask you one thing. Can every number be broken into smaller number? Yes, especially composite number. For example, 6 equal to 2 into 3. 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. All these numbers are prime numbers. So, what are we actually doing? We are breaking a numbers until only prime number remain. This idea is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next, we move to the theorem statement. The theorem simply tells us that every composite number can be written as multiplication of prime numbers. And even if with their different methods, the prime number we get will always be the same. Only the order may change. Now, let us understand why this is true. Take any composite number. Take any composite number. Since it is composite, it can be divided by some prime number. If that result is until composite, we divide again. We continue this process until we cannot divide further. Finally, only prime numbers remain. So, every composite number can be written as a product of prime numbers. So, that is the idea of theorem. Let us see an example. Express 156 as a product of prime numbers. See the solution. First, we divide step by step. 156 divide gives 78. Again divided by 2, we get 39. Then divided by 3, we get 13. And 13 is already prime number. So, finally 156 becomes 2 into 3 into 13. That means we have written the number as product of primes. So, this is how we use the fundamental theorem of arithmetic to express a number as a product of prime numbers. Practice similar problems to understand the method clearly. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will continue the next part of the chapter. See you in the next class.